In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Devices settings. In them, tap on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Now wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, Nokia. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, select gear icon located next to the device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by choosing Pair New Device, clicking on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!